member for Saanich South.
Honourable Speaker, the Minister of Environment has not released soil and manure test results to the Steel Springs Water Board and the Mayor of Spallumcheen because she claims the information does not belong to the government and is protected by privacy legislation. Yet these tests were a requirement of the Ministry's own 2014 inspector's order. Residents can't understand why information required by the Ministry's own order is now hidden by the Minister simply because she chose to allow the farm in question to test itself. Why is the Environment Minister withholding critical information from those directly at risk from dangerously contaminated drinking water?
Minister of the Environment.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. And first, let me be clear. Every single piece of information that is related to decisions around the health of residents in the area has been provided to Interior Health. They make decisions as to water quality advisories. To the members of the public, and it's on our website, every single piece of information that we can legally publish has been released. There is one document in question. We are seeking advice with respect to whether or not we may release it. If we are legally able to, we will. It's our intent to release every single piece of information we have. The member will also know that the Privacy Commissioner is also reviewing this, and if the Privacy Commissioner's office has any recommendations, we will follow those.
Saanich South on a supplemental.
Thank you. The Minister's explanation sounds like a cross between Monty Python and Catch-22. She can't contract out her obligations to protect environment and public health. The Freedom of Information Act.
Members, this House will come to order. Please continue.
Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Ministers.
The Freedom of Information Act requires public disclosure of information, quote, without delay, about a risk of significant harm to the environment or to the health and safety of the public. FOI Commissioner Denham has repeatedly called on this government to comply with this requirement. Can the Environment Minister agree that the residents of Halker Valley and Spallumcheen First Nation are legally entitled to test information and hand it over?
Minister of the Environment.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. And I will repeat for the member, every single piece of testing information that we are legally allowed to provide has been published. There is one document that has not been provided because it is believed not to be legal to provide it. And with respect to the member's pre-written question, I would rather take the advice of Commissioner Denham, which will come in due time, and we will release information that we can.